gave you the safety speech. We're going to be running out across Aransas Bay for about 45 minutes. And while we're running, we'll be running pretty fast, so we don't do a whole lot of talking, but we will slow down from time to time and tell you about the area. The boat, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, directly off the left-hand side over here, where you see the yacht club. And coming around to the front, we'll have 10, 11, and products moved up and down the intercoastal